Ito pala yun. So, about demo credit balance. Katulad ng sabi ko, para rin siyang cashback na kapag bumili ka, may return. Yun nga lang, ito malaki kasi yung nabili ko na drawer, kailangan kasi ng anak ko, 1,292. So, ang cashback or credit back ay 500. So, ano ba itong demo credit balance? Yung demo credit balance Temo will issue credits to you from time to time as compensation para doon sa mga nabili mo. And then, you may also receive credits from us if you return items and choose to accept Temo credit balance instead of a refund. Where to check my credit balance? Ayan, sign in ka lang sa Temo. How to use your credit will be automatically katulad nung pag-order ko, automatic na siya magbabawas. Pero kung ayaw mo, then, ayan. If you prefer not to use credits for a particular order, you may change the amount of credits on the order confirmation page. Can I still pay with credit balance if I already applied the coupon? Yes, pwede pa siyang gamitin. Can I withdraw cash from my credit balance? So, yung credit balance lang talaga ay magagamit lang siya sa purchase ng mga item kay Temo. So, typically, you will not be able to redeem your Temo credit balance for cash. So, credit balance in your Temo account will never expire. Yun ang kagandahan noon, hindi pala siya nag-expire. So, I thought kung hindi mo siya magagamit in one day, ay ma-expire na. So, ito, malinaw na hindi siya ma-expire. Can I trust my credit balance to another demo account? So, ayun. Can I trust? Trust transfer pala. So, ayun po. So, hindi siya pwedeng matransfer into another demo account. I never use any credits. Why is my credit balance smaller? One possibility is that you have a pending transaction. If you submitted an order but haven't paid yet, credits would have been deducted from your credit balance and applied to other pending payments. To restore your credit balance, simply cancel the order and the credits will be returned to your demo account. Another possibility is that some of your demo credits may have been canceled. Credits issued for a returned item will be canceled if you obtain a chargeback or transaction reversal from the original payment method for the same item. So, ayun, it's all about demo credit balance.